In this video, I'll show you how to add a discount coupon to Stripe checkout. First, sign into your Stripe dashboard and go to Product Catalog, then select Coupons. Click Create Coupon to create a new discount for your customers. Next, choose the type of discount you want to offer. You can create a percentage discount or a fixed amount discount, then set the duration, redemption limits, and expiration date if needed. Review the coupon settings before saving. After that, create a promotion code if you want customers to enter a code during checkout. Link the promotion code to your coupon, choose the code customers will use, and configure any restrictions, such as minimum purchase amounts or customer eligibility. Now make sure your Stripe checkout integration is configured to accept promotion codes or apply the coupon programmatically if you're using the Stripe API. Test the checkout process by applying the discount and confirming that the final price is calculated correctly before making it available to customers. Finally, monitor the performance of your coupon from the Stripe dashboard. You can track redemptions, update coupon settings, disable promotion codes, or create new offers whenever you want to run future promotions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a discount coupon to Stripe checkout. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.